What new products are you presenting this year at Mido?
This year, for Mido 2017, Dita is presenting very special product, two very important limited edition. Dita now every season is coming up with a series of product that is limited of 1,000 pieces worldwide. We always been a company very exclusive in general, but now we implemented this concept of numbered our frame. So each person has the personalized frame. So this model is the Decade 2. Dita started in 1995, so this has been an edition for the 20th anniversary. And this season we are coming out with this specific color that is number 1,000 pieces worldwide. And just in a funny note, because everyone loves celebrity, maybe the most popular soccer player in the world has his number 7. Number frame, and maybe arguably the best Formula 1 driver also is a big fan of Dita, and we made for him the frame with the number of his car. But we're presenting this year in specific the Grandmaster 6. So Grandmaster for us has been an iconic species for our brand, and this actually is going to be the last one. We don't want to end up like the iPhone 23, so this Grandmaster series is going to end the entire series. So Grandmaster, that has been from day first of Dita, the iconics and most recognized piece. And for this limited edition, we're actually combining black element with the rose gold. This year, rose gold is very, very popular. Everyone loves rose gold, and at the same time, we're launching Decade 2. So Dita has been started the business in 1995. So a couple of years ago we had our 20th anniversary, and this is the Decade 2, which is another iconic pieces of Dita. Again, number 1,000 pieces worldwide, and these are the two most exclusive and wanted frame that we have at the moment. Of course, Dita is not only about sunglasses, so we try also to make some beautiful, sexy lady shape, which Dita is becoming more and more popular in that segment of the market. Also, it's been many years where plastic is dominating the market. Let's call it plastic acetate. Dita is transitioning, try to add some element into the titanium product. We know we only use titanium because our product is manufactured in Japan. This is a kind of transition. First time really Dita is implementing a full titanium frame, but as you can see from the element, every single piece of the frame is very driven by what we call the three words to explain our brand, which is timeless, discreet luxury. So every single element is studied, every single detail, because an aviator frame can be a very simple frame in a way, but the detail is what really makes a big difference. You can buy a t-shirt, but you can buy also cashmere. They all look kind of the same, but that's what Dita is all about, to create something that it's simple, but at the same time adding from the technology standpoint and from the design standpoint, element that nobody else really makes in the market. And that's, I think, why Dita has been so successful lately.
And talking about the trends in eyewear, do you have any idea of what they will be? Do you have your opinion of what we can expect, maybe?
Well, I think you're seeing from what's happening in the industry, between the LVMH getting involved with the Marcolin and fashion being very much interested this season. Actually, this year Mido is coinciding with the Fashion Week as an interesting coincidence maybe. But accessory eyewear in general is becoming maybe the most important accessory. I mean, it's not surprising you put it in your face. It must be the most important accessory. But, it's been neglected until 4 or 5 years ago. And I think the trend is definitely for brands like Dita that believe that luxury is also an element of fashion, definitely is going to become more and more important. I'm not saying that the optical channel is going to be less important, but definitely you can see, our best shop in the world are the Colette, the Arrow, the Selfridges. They sell our products like crazy because more and more people are interested to buy maybe in a different environment eyewear, and that's what I think is the trend. And the latest acquisition, I think, are confirming this trend strongly.
Thank you very much.